see. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. So this is a Port Sea back beach, and yeah, that's about. I have noticed my fingers all over the place because I'm just holding with the hand, the action cam. Yeah, fucking finger. There's one more thing you need to know. I can't swim, so yeah, here we are, just playing by the beach. But yeah, the waves are like so nice and so strong. Yeah. It's actually a tad cold, like a tad cold, but yeah, with the sun out, weather's good, it was fun, really fun. Yeah, so we moved back to Diamond Bay. It's like a sheltered cove wherein the waves are not deadly. Because, you know what, I can't swim. So, yeah, here we are. And this is the Baywatch sequence. I put music on it, but took it out. When you go to the beach and you have bad toenails, I mean dead toenails, no! Camouflage. So, natakaroon nga rin sa Diamond Bay. Nakalimutan ko sa pangalan. Muna siya ang kwan. Bato. Ha? Okay, so this is me talking gibberish again because I'm talking about whatever here. Yeah, I'm talking about like the waves. Talking about this cave here, which I called Langob sa Kanturatoy. Langob, which means cave, and Kanturatoy, my dad usually uses that name, saying that you can hide inside, nobody's gonna see you. But nah, they actually can see you. And yeah, talk about the waves, how noisy it is. I can't hear myself. I'm just trying out this Osmo Action 5 Pro. So yeah. Balod-balod ko to. Balod-balod ka ng balod lagi. So most of the times, makita ang mga tamulakaw-lakaw sa mga Salidas TV. Bakit mulakaw-lakaw? So you see people walking around the beach and holding hands, and yeah, looks so good. But in real life, it's really, really cold. Like, this is cold. That's cold. Reklamo naman sa aircon nga 22 degrees. Tugnaw pagyapon eh. More or less, more. Ano na siya? Muna konsulti. Ano na siya ba? Ika na siya. Feather na siya. Okay, nabangga ko ani puwang gamit. So there. Okay. Okay. windy. Balik. Sige lang may kaon karon. Paspas kay ilis ba? Nut ka tong talyan. Ihas kay ko.